Po projektu World in Classroom, kar mislim, da se znate vsi prevesti, namen je nekako medkulturno povezovanje, spoznavanje novih držav in tudi načina življenja. Z Ano sem se spoznala prejšnji teden na izobraževanju in je zelo prijetna punca, tako da upam, da vam bo ta ura in še malo hitro minila. Seveda jo lahko vprašate. Ana študira lingvistiko, tako da jezik grejo zelo dobro, tudi slovensko razume in malo tudi govori. Tako da si lahko pomagate z vsemi jeziki, ki jih poznate, da jo kaj vprašate. Ana, izvolite.
So hi everyone, like I said, my name is Anna. I come from Czech Republic and specifically from Prague, from the Czechko. I'm studying university and I'm glad to become a linguist, but no one knows what happened. And today I would like to share with you my experience in Prague and culture in general, and tell you some basic and hopefully interesting information. In the beginning, I would just like to ask you if you don't understand me or if I speak too fast, too slow, or just speak badly, just tell me, stop me, that's no problem to do my best and change it. Okay, let's try. Let's do a kind of brainstorming about Czech Republic. Tell me whatever you want and whatever you know about Czech Republic. Well, the capital city is Prague. Nice.
Yeah.
What else? Where it's located? Don't Google it. Whatever you know, do you know some Czech words or some Czech writer or some mountains, river, whatever. Pivo, nice. Awesome. Pivo. What else? Do you know something about Czech actors or actors, writers, singers? Which architect coming from Slovenia used to be in Prague and is great? Nice. Very much. Do you know what he did? I'm so sure it's something like that.
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh, nice. Do you know what he did? Which monument in Prague? He decorated Prague Castle. Try to guess how many inhabitants are living in Czech Republic or in Prague? 1 million? Where? In Prague. Almost there, nice. So in Prague with 1,200,000 inhabitants. And in Czech? 3 million. Bit more? Much more? Okay, 4.5 million? Yes. More? 14,700,000. Almost there. In Prague with 11 million inhabitants. Okay, nice.
R is Ž. You can pronounce R easily, like R. Okay. Say it together. R. Ž. Almost here, yeah, let's repeat it. Ž. Okay, let's try to pronounce Ž. You can do that. Q. Q, yeah. Q. We can say Icho means silence, or Dítě means oto. Icho, dítě. Pronounce it. Icho.
Yeah, I know in Slovenian it's written
3 brny. 3 kaček, 3 kalopře, 3330. 3 brny, 3. Čikalo. Čes. 3000. 300. 30. 30. Číbrný. Ček. Nice. Some brave men. Some nice Czech designers. Have you ever heard about Blanka Matragi or Beata Rajská? Blanka Matragi has designed a lot of wedding dresses for Arabic princesses. So she's quite famous in the world. And Beata Rajská, she's very popular in Spain. This was established. This company is my favorite one. First because my sister is working for this company, and the second because Czech labels and friends are trying to popularize Czech fashion and Czech design in the whole world. And they are pretty awesome because, for example, one of their project means that if you buy their products half of the price will come to save dogs in shelters, dogs and cats, which is pretty awesome. You buy clothes and you also help dogs to survive, dogs and cats. So